Hi, my name is Danny and I'm with the sales department here at Blackdog Performance Cars, and today I'm going to show you this stunning 2001 Acura NSX-T that we have available for sale. One of the benefits of having a family of companies is not only do we have our performance car division, we have our speed shop. Each vehicle here at Blackdog Performance Cars goes through a full inspection from our master technicians in our speed shop before it is offered for sale. In addition to checking for mechanical and cosmetic flaws, we also ensure that the general maintenance has been upkept with according to the manufacturer's maintenance intervals. For this 2001 Acura NSX-T, the recommended maintenance interval for timing belt is 105,000 miles. Although this mint condition Acura only has 33,000 miles, it falls within the recommended time frame for timing belt replacement. If you follow me through the door, we will put it up on the lift. Before we listed this car for sale, our technicians installed a new timing belt and water pump using OEM parts. Since this NSX is a mid-engine car with minimal space, this process requires accessing the timing belt through the wheel well from underneath the car to complete the installation. There you have it. Our master technician did an excellent job on installing all of our OEM Acura parts. As you can see, the undercarriage on this Acura is spotless. We changed the water pump, alternator belt, AC belt, did a coolant flush, changed the timing belt, valve cover gasket set, and even put a new battery in it. You can buy this car with confidence knowing that all the time and mileage sensitive work has been done and completed to factory specs. If you have any questions or are interested in this beautiful one-of-a-kind Acura, you can give me a call at 224-352-2544 or visit us at blackdogperformancecars.com.